Welcome back to Better Homes Designs, the place where we turn architectural dreams into reality. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. An A-frame cabin house is an architectural style characterized by its steep, sloping roof line that starts near the foundation line and meets at the top in the shape of the letter A. This distinctive triangular silhouette is not just a design choice, but a structural one, traditionally used in snowy climates because the steep pitch prevents heavy snow accumulation from damaging the roof. Inside, these homes typically feature open-concept living areas with high, vaulted ceilings and a lofted second floor, creating a cozy yet airy atmosphere. While they gained massive popularity in the mid-century era as vacation homes, the A-frame has seen a major resurgence today as a symbol of minimalist, nature-integrated living. The benefits of owning an A-frame cabin extend far beyond its iconic aesthetic. Structurally, the simplicity of the A shape makes it incredibly durable and relatively cost-effective to build compared to complex traditional homes. Because the roof serves as two of the main exterior walls, maintenance is often simplified. From an environmental standpoint, the high ceilings allow for excellent natural light and heat circulation, while the compact footprint ensures minimal disruption to the surrounding landscape. Perhaps the greatest benefit is the psychological connection to nature. The large glass gables common in A-frames act as a literal window to the world, making even a small cabin feel expansive and serene. Decorating the exterior of an A-frame requires a balance between highlighting its unique geometry and blending it with the environment. Start by choosing a color palette that complements the landscape. Dark charcoal, forest green, or natural cedar stains are timeless choices that make the house pop against the greenery. Lighting is another crucial element. Use upward-facing spotlights to accentuate the sharp peak of the roof at night and warm, wash lighting along the deck to create an inviting glow. To enhance the outdoor living feel, wrap a wooden deck around the base of the house, which serves as a visual anchor and provides a functional transition from the indoors to the garden. Adding minimalist landscaping, like native grasses or structured stone paths, keeps the focus on the architecture while giving the home a finished, polished look. When it comes to A-frame styles, the most popular trend right now is modern industrial, which utilizes black metal roofing, large steel frame windows, and sleek concrete accents. For those who prefer a softer look, the Scandinavian minimalist style is perfect, focusing on light-colored wood, white interiors, and a seamless flow between the house and a simple gravel patio. There's also the classic rustic style, which stays true to the 1960s roots by using warm cedar shingles, stone chimneys, and cozy wraparound porches. Recently, we've seen a rise in hybrid A-frames, where the traditional triangular structure is attached to a flat-roofed modern extension, allowing for more bedroom space without sacrificing the iconic A-line silhouette. And now, let's inspire your dream build, and to show you exactly what this looks like, here are our top 10 best A-frame cabin house ideas that showcase incredible innovation and style. 1. The secluded jungle sanctuary. This A-frame cabin design is the epitome of tranquil, nature-integrated living. Tucked away deep within a lush, verdant forest, the structure features a dramatic, steep roof line in a dark charcoal finish that allows it to blend seamlessly into the shadows of the surrounding canopy. The front gable is defined by a large glass facade that reveals warm, honey-toned wood paneling inside, while a clean, white elevated terrace serves as a modern pedestal for the cabin, providing a sharp architectural contrast to the organic environment. 2. The glass front minimalist. A stunning example of how to make a small footprint feel massive. This cabin uses a light wood frame and a nearly entire glass front to blur the lines between the living room and the outdoors. The small wooden deck with contemporary seating and built-in planters proves that you don't need a lot of space to create a luxury outdoor lounge area. 3. the expansive multi-wing A-frame. For those who want the A-frame look on a larger scale, this design connects two large peaks with a modern, flat roof glass corridor. The use of mixed materials, stone, wood, and dark metal, gives it a sophisticated, custom-built feel, while the perfectly manicured lawn and concrete retaining walls provide a clean, high-end landscape. 4. The Contemporary Woodsman. This cabin puts a twist on the traditional look by using weathered gray with siding instead of classic brown. The box windows that pop out of the roofline are a genius way to add headroom and unique views from the inside, making the exterior look like a piece of modern art tucked away in the pine trees. 5. The Grand Forest Pavilion. This is the ultimate luxury cabin. With a towering A-frame structure and a facade made almost entirely of glass, it glows like a lantern in the woods at night. The symmetrical placement of white Adirondack chairs on the front patio creates a welcoming, resort-like atmosphere that is perfect for hosting guests or enjoying a quiet morning coffee. 6. The Geometric Hybrid. Breaking the mold of traditional symmetry, this house features an asymmetrical A-frame combined with a modern white box structure. The second-floor glass balcony is a standout feature, providing an elevated view of the pool and garden, while the geometric window shapes on the ground floor add a playful, futuristic touch to the design. 7. The Modernist Glass Box A-frame. This design takes the A-frame and stretches it out, incorporating a long glass-walled wing that houses the kitchen and dining area. The contrast between the sharp triangular peak and the long horizontal lines of the deck and roof makes for a visually stunning architectural statement that feels incredibly open and transparent. 8. The Studio Retreat. Perfect for a backyard office or a guest house, this compact A-frame is paired with a sleek, white-walled extension. The dark exterior finish allows it to disappear into the trees, while the large deck and outdoor wood-burning stove make it a functional year-round space for relaxation and creativity. 9. The Nordic Lakeside Dream. This design features a classic A-frame silhouette with a beautiful balcony integrated into the front gable. The warm wood siding is accented by string lights and a cozy gravel seating area, making it the quintessential hygge home. The addition of a small side entry wing adds just enough space for modern amenities while keeping the primary shape intact. 10. The Modern Monolith. This design is a masterclass in modern geometry, featuring a striking black corrugated metal facade that contrasts beautifully with the warm wooden recessed entryway. The massive triangular window array at the front ensures the interior is flooded with light, while the side addition provides extra square footage without distracting from the main A-frame peak. The A-frame cabin is more than just a trend. It is a celebration of simple living and clever design. Whether you are dreaming of a tiny forest retreat or a grand architectural masterpiece, the versatility of the A-frame allows you to create a home that is as unique as you are. By focusing on high-quality materials and a strong connection to the landscape, you can turn a simple triangular structure into a sanctuary that provides peace and inspiration for years to come. If you enjoyed looking at these incredible A-frame designs, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Better Homes Designs for more architecture and interior inspiration. Which of these 10 ideas was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear if you're a fan of the classic rustic look or the sleek modern glass designs. Also, be sure to check out our playlist on outdoor living areas for more tips on how to style your cabin's exterior.